So, welcome guys on chapter 3 for setting up a daily routine at home. I hope you enjoyed our chapter 1 where we discussed the arrival greeting time, basically how you wake your child up, followed by meal time, which is a breakfast time. In chapter 2, we discuss about choice time, how to offer choices to children. You are comfortably working from home as well as your children are engaged in active learning. So today in chapter 3, we are going to discuss more on how are we going to transit children from one activity to the other, how to shift children from one activity to the other with no tears. Like that there are some challenges when children are engaged in one activity and you want to offer something else like another activity. Maybe you are just changing your room because you want to supervise or be around the child, and that point of time children don't want to leave that activity and they want to just continue. So what do you have to say, and what could be the best strategy, or what are the ways we can have no tears transition from one to the other?
So as we know that children live in here and now moment, and when they are playing one game or when they are busy in one game or activity, they totally into that activity. It's a responsibility of an adult who wants to transit child from one space to another, like from one room to another room or one activity to another activity.
Right.
We have to do little thinking here that how can I encourage my child to complete this activity and go to the next or to shift to the next room. Like we can use different activities for that, and that depends upon the observation how adults observe the children. We can take cue from the children that how are they participating now, continuously have conversation on that observation. And before that, I want to mention here that we have to follow the same routine every day, predictable yet flexible. So don't change in the routine of the child. It should be every day like the same timings for the same activity, like same timings for the breakfast. And if we are providing choice time after the breakfast, then we follow the same routine. And we can have conversation right on daily basis. Okay, after you complete your breakfast, then you know what we are going to do. We are going to make decisions what activity you want to do, right? We ask them their choices at choice time. When you take clues from the child that oh, my child is interested in doing that, and you can intervene in that activity after asking to your child, okay, can I help you, can I join you, we can enter into the activity, right, with these kind of sentences. Can I play with you? So these kind of sentences we can use and wait for the response of the child. So basis on these cues, for example, my child is now doing the treasure basket, and I am observing that my child is now not taking interest in that, right? Then I can ask as per routine. Oh, I'm noticing that now you want to go outside if you have outside time after the treasure basket.
True.
So let's wind up and have clean up song with the children. So these kind of cues we can take from children for the transition period. And if we want our children to shift one from one room to another room, we can ask them, how do you want to go? Right? What song you want to sing when you are shifting to another room? So always give them questions so that children would develop their interest in that activity, and they don't know that when they are shifting to another activity. And when we follow the consistent routine, their brain will develop like that.
Children don't like to stay idle. They're so curious at point that their brain keeps looking for some activity all the time. So when the transition happens, children feel like, oh, I'm going to miss out playing this activity. And if they don't know what's going to happen next, they may become restless or they may become anxious. Oh, what's going to happen? And at the same time they want to leave the activity. They want to still be there. So what you said was that if you play their favorite song, or you ask them, how do you want to go from this room to the living area, because like you mentioned that you can say how do you want to go, so you can say I want to be a monkey and go from, so I can jump and go from, so that engages the child, right? Awesome. So I think using these strategies can help us have a no tear transition where children would not have a conflict.
I think this is the time where we can share that what is the impact of it if you're not doing it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, like why I have to do all these things.
Totally.
मैं क्यों ना उसको गोदी में उठा के दूसरी जगह बिठा दूं।
Right.
और बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, हम उनको गोदी में उठा के चीजें करवा देते हैं बहुत
बिल्कुल
बार,
बिल्कुल. हम्म.
राइट, कि तुम यहाँ से चलो यहाँ बैठ जाओ यहाँ कर लो। तो इसका इम्पैक्ट भी ये है, अगर हम ये चीजें नहीं करते हैं तो चिल्ड्रन माइट बी इन एम्बिग्यूटी, ये क्या हुआ मेरे साथ अभी, राइट, एंड दैट कॉज स्ट्रेस because children don't know what's happening to them if we are not having conversation with them. Children don't know what is going to happen next if we are not following the routine. So if we are doing all these things, we are avoiding, right, stress in our children, and they start expressing themselves. Anticipation in developments, like they start anticipating, they start taking initiative, they start taking decisions.
Have a voice modulation while they is a brilliant. So I think we have two takeaways right now. Like we can ask children how do they want to go if they are changing the place. Second, they can have a voice modulation while they are transiting. Like they can have, like you said, they can talk like lion or any of their favorite animals which parents can offer. And of course, telling them what is the next activity lined up if they are leaving or if they are transiting from this one. So got it. So parents, here is something that you need to do this week. You can see on our screen there are some strategies. Note this down, record your videos of sharing or write an email to us. How did this strategy work for you at home? And we'll be happy to share more strategies in the further episodes. So thank you so much. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you so much.